Hello guys, today we trying to make a chicken on the beach. We living in a wild place with our own house on the beach. Let's do it. Yesterday I make fire here and now I'm thinking how I can make it. I have the thing, I'm trying to make a hole and put the stones around, but it doesn't work because this thing is so small. In last time it wasn't successful, that's why I decided to start from beginning. Okay, at the first of all, let's go and find some stones. Really I don't need too many stones, but I find a place where I can take it and I start to do it. And after was a very dangerous moment. Two dogs feeling the chicken and decided to make a company with me. But they are funny dogs and I continue to do what I want to do. Ну что, выглядит весьма неплохо. Практически готово. Я уже примерил эту штуку. Все будет чики-пуки. Okay, the fireplace is ready. In Russia we called it mangal. Now we need find woods. Это сойдет. Ага. Yeah, and put it. Okay, thanks so much. Local guys showed me how prepare the wood to make fire for easy way. Thank you for him. And he living near us, but before we never speak together. And big thank you for this guy. It was so easy to make fire. Wow, it's so amazing. Just with lighter, without any paper and gasoline. Wow. Wait, what? What can I say? I really like this type of life. Whew. And now go to swim, make a refresh and start to cook our chicken. Chicken. Yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching, guys. It was my first time when I'm making the cooking video. In the next time it will be much better. Thank you for watching, and it was so delicious. Yummy, yummy. I like this wild lifestyle. Not completely wild, but better cook than in kitchen, you know. Okay, see you guys. Good luck.